Hey guys, Quirky Cubert here. In today's video, I have a big unboxing from thecubicle.com. So this box actually won't fit in the frame, so I'm just gonna take it off the tripod real quick and, well, here's the pyramids for comparison. So let's get into the package. So here, scissors, and I'm going to cut off the top. Okay, so we can open that up. Now we just have to open up the sides. I don't think you can see that. And so this is a pretty big unboxing. By pretty big, I mean big. So here we have a fidget spinner, which came free with the order. We have the Maylong Kilominx. We have the Chi MS 2x2. We have the Blue Cubicle Cube Bag. We have the Shangshao Magnetic Clock. We have the Chi 2x2x3, and we have the I forgot about that. We have the Chi 2x2 Mirror Cube, and I also got a custom Q sticker for Quirky, and we have the Yushin Little Magic Cube, and last and not least, well, kind of not least, we have 3 cc's of D&M 37. Not much, but came free with the order, so I took it. And we have the Cubicle business card, which actually looks pretty nice. I would show you what it looks like next to a cube, but yeah. So we're gonna take that to the side and put this business card to the side, and let's set it up real quick. 3, 2, 1. So here it is. Let's go top to bottom. So biggest, well, yeah, we'll do top to bottom since that, yeah, I don't know. Let's just do top to bottom. So we have this Moyu fidget spinner. What? I don't even know why they sell this at the Cubicle. It is Moyu, but like, what? And it has 6-minute spin time. And it has different colors. So yeah, let's just open it. Haven't spun a fidget spinner in a while. And you can open this. You can take that top off. And let's see how it spins. Okay, that is really good. It actually might have 6-minute spin time. It probably doesn't look that fast on the camera, but like, fidget spinners don't normally spin like how it actually looks like. Yeah, that is really cool. So, yeah, turns well. I wouldn't recommend it if you're like going to thecubicle.com, but like, if your order is over $10, get it. So here we have the Yushin Little Magic Cube. You can just open that up. If it'll, just take it out if it'll open, but it doesn't want to open. Come on. I'm gonna have to rip the box. Okay, here we have the Yushin Little Magic's cube. First turns. It has ball bearings in it, which isn't too bad. I've actually never solved a cube before. I mean, it turns pretty nice. Let's just spam some algorithms. I'm pretty sure that might be how you do sledge. Like yeah. I know. Probably won't ever solve this, but it is pretty fun. Most of these cubes in this video come with an instruction booklet, so here is it for the YLM's cube. Looks like it's just Chinese, but is it just Chinese? Okay, it's also English. Good thing. But yeah, that was actually my first cube ever from Yushin, and that was pretty nice. So now we have the Chi 2x2x3. We have the normal Chi box, and it still has Matt's Volk on it. Will there ever be a Chi box without Matt's Volk? I mean, I guess that just wouldn't be Chi. Again, instruction booklet. First turns. Oh, whoa. Well, yeah, it doesn't shapeshift. This actually does not turn too bad. Okay, so this, like a slice layer, I'd say, it turns really nice. Same with these. I'd say that the slice turns better than these. But yeah, I would really like to, like scramble this up and give it a solve. But we cannot do that right now because we have some more puzzles to go through. Overall, I think the turning is good. And now we have the Chi 2x2 mirror cube. I was actually, I forgot about this. Hold on. I'll save this for last since honestly, I'll save it second. Oh no. Well, I just opened it, so I don't care. We're opening it now. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna put this, I don't know how to necessarily review it, but I'm probably gonna put that on like the GTS 3M or something. Since I actually now prefer that over the Meilong, because the Meilong, for some reason, just overnight or something, I don't know, it came, ooh, plastic wrap, okay. It came, like the yellow side became way looser than the others. So this has plastic wrapping. So we're gonna open that up. Well, and that kind of flew. So how does it turn? Oh. Okay. So this layer, I don't know if it's just looser, but this turns how I'd actually like it. But this layer, I know, it's probably just because the pieces are bigger here. Therefore it takes a little bit more force. But yeah, I would say that the turning is pretty nice. I do know as a fact that I can solve this, so yeah. And yeah, shapeshifts. We've all seen mirror cubes before, probably. And this is just a 2x2 version, so we can put that off to the side. Next up, we have my first ever clock, the Shengshou Magnetic. And we can see that there's a girl on there, Shengshou. Is that how you say it now? I don't know. But, yeah, clock. I know some cubers don't know one, but I am kind of interested since, we don't have one. So you can open it up. Okay. This is smaller than what I thought it might be. Okay, so the pins are pretty good. And the turning is not that bad either. Oh, the pins are up. Yeah, okay, that is kind of nice. It's a little bit loud. It's also smaller than what I thought it would be. I don't know if this is just a small clock, but yeah, the pins are really nice. They won't fall down. But when you need to put them down, it doesn't require much force. So, yeah, it is really nice. I will try to do solve on it later. As I said, this is my first ever clock. So you can put that to the side. Next up, I'm debating if I want to do the Killaminx or the DNM 37. I'll do the DNM, which is actually over here. Get that out of the way. So this is the DNM. I'm not going to try it right now. I'm just going to open it. Since I don't want this video to be too long. Since long unboxings, like that are 30 minutes long, I don't like those, so we can put that back to the side. Don't worry, I'm throwing all this stuff away, not like the cubes, but yeah, so this nice, I don't know, nice. All I have to say. Next up we have, let's do the cubicle drawstring bag. I'm actually gonna get a few, like, at the end, this right there is how many 3x3s you can fit. I might not have enough, so I'll just have to improvise. So yeah, that's how many. And yeah, overall, it does look really nice. The logo looks nice. I mean, the only reason I got it in blue, I probably would have gotten it in black, is because black was out of stock. But yeah, this is really nice. And my tripod is really off. Okay, there. This is better. So yeah, nice leather. And yeah, so let's now get on to the MFJS Megalong Killaminx, which is pretty much a 2x2 version of the Megaminx. Sorry, box. Ooh, okay. Let's see how it turns. Oh. Okay. Yeah, no corner cutting. Yeah. Not too bad. I don't know. I don't know what a good one is, so yeah, it's not amazing. But at the same time, not terrible. Instruction booklet right here. I won't need that. But yeah, it doesn't turn too bad. And it has, and I'll put it right next to the microphone. So it kind of has like a scratchy, sandy feel. So yeah, that is pretty nice, and I do recommend it. Next up, the Qi EMS 2x2. Oh, right. I had the Qi EMS Pyraminx, the box that it came in. It had like plastic all around it. Okay, so we're gonna take the plastic. This is what Z3Qden did. We're gonna take off the plastic of the that's all I had to do, really. Then I just had to do it like that. And we're gonna open it up. That fell out. It's not supposed to do that, guys. And I still only really care about the cube. Take that out of the way. And we can take the plastic. We can take off the plastic. And get to the plastic cube inside. Okay, so it is pretty good, I would say. It's very sandy. The magnets are nice. It snaps right in place most of the time. So yeah, it's pretty nice. It is kind of small though. Like, I know the Rubik's 2x2 is really small, but like, it's just a bit bigger than it. I mean, probably like 5 millimeters. So this is probably like 50 millimeters, I would say. And yeah, so it's very satisfying to turn. I can definitely say that. And yeah, so let's just get everything back in front of the camera. So we can do. Okay, so let's just stack them. No, we can't. But yeah, so the YLM SKU, I recommend it. It is sandy, a little bit out of the box, but not too bad. I recommend it. And the Shengshou magnetic clock, I think the pins are really nice. And the turning here is really nice as well. And with the Qi MS2x2, it's really nice, and it will definitely be my main. And for the MFJS Meilong Killminx, yeah, it's okay. I mean, I'm not gonna like speed sell this since it isn't a WCA puzzle, but I expected a little bit better. Then we have the Qi 2x2 whoa. Okay, I forgot that it turns well. And yeah, the slice is really nice. The U and D and E moves, I guess, they're a little bit worse, but they are still pretty nice. And with the Qi 2x2 mirror cube, okay, hold on, yeah. So the only thing is that it does take a notable amount of effort. There's a difference in effort for everything, so yeah. And this, it's just a random spinner, so there's no guarantees that you'll get this one. But I don't recommend it if you're like getting it. But if your order is over $10, I do recommend it. So that is pretty much it. Yeah.